Video 2. Parrots. Hello there. This is Switch On. Watch and listen. Hat. Tail. Clever. Colourful. Walk. Talk. Wing. Fly. Flower.
This is a very nice parrot.
Yes.
It's very colourful. It's got lovely blue wings and a yellow tail.
How old is it?
12 years old.
Can it fly?
Yes, it can. It can ride a bike too.
Wow! Can it talk?
No, I can't.
Parrots are really good pets. They are beautiful and they are colourful. Parrots are birds. They have got wings and they can fly. And they can walk. This parrot is yellow. It's got a hat. Very trendy. These two parrots are friends. How old are they? Well, the yellow and blue parrot is Stanley, and he is 45 years old. The red parrot is called Gordon, and he is 57 years old. Some parrots can live for 80 years. Parrots are clever. Check out these parrots. They can ride a bike. Look! Parrots can also talk. Listen.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? Oh, okay then. Bye.